I'm Timothy Kopp with Revelation EV Plus Automation, where we transform your home into a truly smart home that really works for you. Have you purchased a home, even a new or custom-built home, and found you have a slow network or a weak Wi-Fi? Have you been frustrated by spotty or slow connections and bad streaming services to your TVs, phones, and tablets? We can fix it. Our technical designers and technicians save you frustration from the cost of future retrofitting. We design and install your home's network to perform with today's smart technology. We help you pick the correct smart TV, sound systems, lighting, shades, HVAC control, and cameras so they all work together seamlessly. We configure all of them into one control system, giving you a personal command center on a remote, tablet, or even your cell phone. This isn't science fiction, it's reality for people that call Revelation. So whether you design a new home or dreaming of ways to elevate your existing one, Revelation EV Plus Automation will design, install the best smart home for your family. We're not just implementing today's best technology, we're creating networks that anticipate tomorrow's innovation. Our mission is to enhance your life, to make it easier, more convenient, safer, and effortlessly enjoyable. You can live in a smart home where today's smart tech control systems create special experiences for you and your family. Embrace the future with Revelation EV Plus Automation. So set up your free consultation today. Tell us your needs, your wildest desires for dazzling technology experiences in your smart home.